Hello everyone, and welcome back to Infotech Fusion. In today's video, I will guide you how to create Windows 11 bootable USB drive step by step. This is helpful if you want to install or reinstall Windows 11 in your PC. So let's get started. So to create this, your first requirement is you need a pen drive with at least a capacity of 8 GB storage. Now my drive is showing here and I given a name as it for Windows 11. Open the browser and type Windows 11 download. Click on first link and search for create Windows 11 installation media. Here you can go through all these steps if you want. Otherwise you can click on download now. So you can download it here. Once download finished, open that downloaded folder, right click it, click on as a run as a administrator. Once you click, automatic the process will start, just like saying getting a few things ready. In few minutes, it will ask for license and terms. So you need to accept that to proceed for next step. And you need to wait for a moment. It may be 15 to 30 minutes. It will take for the whole process. Now, next step, if you want to change your language, you can select here. In my case, I am leaving as it is. I am not going to change any language here. Okay, if you want, if you are from different origin, different country, you can select. You can change the language. And another step is it will ask for USB flash drive or a ISO file. Here we are not going to do for ISO file. So I am selected a USB and click the next. You can see my drive is listed here. You can see my pen drive is detected here. You need to select that pen drive and click on next. So Windows 11 will be started downloading. As I already said, this is the process of 30 to 40 minutes. So you need to wait. In this video, I have skipped lots of time. If you still feeling taking long, you can skip the video and you can watch last steps of video. Okay. After downloading, it will start verifying your download. In my next video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 in PC. Okay. Now it is saying that your USB flash drive is ready. You need to click on finish. That's it. And now your USB drive is ready. You just refresh it to see the result. Now you can see our Windows 11 bootable pen drive is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.